you about emergency operation plans today, and we're going to.
So today we went over the school district emergency operation plans, right, that the state requires us to submit. And while we talked about the emergency plans, we talked about the components of all these plans and different safety measures that we're implementing and different procedures that we already have in place. It's not only is it a requirement, but it's also great because the more we practice, the better it becomes second nature to us. So we worked on tabletop exercises where we did training and we allowed them to give us feedback.
We want to make sure that everybody on campus, including our staff and students, know what we're doing out there as far as security and safety with our newly created police department. I think it's very important that they hear from us on a one-on-one level as opposed to visiting when something happens. We need to be proactive and just let them know these are the procedures, this is what's in place, and if you need any help, to reach out to our department. So it's very important that we get everybody in one room and deliver that one message, and it goes out as a whole.
Safety has been and will continue to be a priority, but we rely on each other, and just like COVID was a shared responsibility, this is a shared responsibility for us too.
We have great partnerships with the Tri-City community, with our local law enforcement, with the Sheriff's Office, the state. We're out there to enhance the safety, and we are going to be a big part of the next school year coming up as far as securing our campuses.